Hello friend, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make scrolls like this. So for these scrolls we are going to use half strips. So this is my strip. We are going to fold this strip into half and cut it. If you are using store-bought strips, I will suggest you to make one more fold and cut it. So use 1/4 strip. For regular size means A4 size strips, use half strips, and for store-bought strip, use 1/4 strip. So let's learn loose scroll. So take 1/2 strip and roll it. It is just like your loose coil, but we are not going to roll until the end. We are gonna just keep little bit strip like this only. Remove it and let it unroll it. So this is your loose scroll. Now let's learn hard scroll. Let's take half strip, fold it into half. Now we are going to, now you have two strips, we are going to roll these two strips inside. So this is your one strip and roll it almost to the end and remove it like this one. Now we are gonna roll other side. Roll it, remove it, let it open. So this is your hard scroll. Now let's learn V scroll. So let's take half strip, fold it into half. Now we are gonna roll these two strips outside, just like S, but we are gonna, just like hard scroll, but we are gonna roll it outside. So this is your V scroll. You can see the difference, hard scroll and V scroll. Now let's make same side scroll. Let's take half strip, fold it into half, and we are gonna roll these both strips on same side. Almost to the end, remove it, roll it, so this is your same side scroll. Now let's make C scroll. For this one, again take half strip and you have to give curve to the strip like C. Use your nails and give curve. So we have C shaped strip and we are gonna roll these two ends inside. Remove it and again roll it almost in the middle and then remove it. So this is your C scroll. Now let's learn S scroll. For this one, again take half strip. Now we are gonna give S shape to this strip. So hold this strip almost to the middle and bend this strip towards you. Now turn this strip like this, and again this is straight, again turn, give curve towards you. So we got S shape strip. Now we are gonna roll from this side inside and from this side other. So let's roll it, roll almost to the middle, remove it. Now other side, roll almost to the middle. So this is your S scroll. Now let's learn musical note. Take half strip, fold it into half. For this one, we are gonna roll both strips together. Let's put this inside and roll it. And you can see this part is popping up. So let it pop, don't push it. Remove it. Let it unroll it. So this is your musical note. Now I am going to show you how to make multi-strip scroll. For this one, let's take 6 strips. Right now I am taking 2 color strips and 6 strips. If you want, you can use more colors and more strips. So let's take 1 strip and we are gonna glue these strips on top of each other. So put little bit glue. So this is glue this strip here, but just remember, keep some gap like this one. Don't glue these strips exactly by aligning this strip. Just keep glue it little bit behind. Now next strip behind the second strip. Like this one. Now 4th strip behind it. 5th strip behind that strip. And the last one. So glue all strips like this. Let it dry. Now we are going to roll these strips together. So this is, put this inside the slot and roll it. Hold your fingers like this so that your strips will be fit there nicely. Roll almost to the end, remove it and let it go. Now your strips will look like this, but we are going to arrange these strips just like this. So this is my first inside strip. I am pulling little bit, then next one little bit more, or you can just push these strips out. So it should look like this. Now we are going to put glue here. And hold it for a few seconds, let it dry. So your multi-strip scroll is ready. If you want, you can cut it here and use like this, or if you want, you can roll this part. Let me show you how you're gonna do it. So this is your extra strip. just roll this strip like S, opposite side, like this. So in today's video we learn loose scroll, then heart scroll, V scroll, same side scroll, C scroll, S scroll, musical note, and multi-strip scroll. So you can use all of this scroll in your creation. So let's get rolling. Bye.